Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aima Gilani. My roll number is 18 to 83 and I am from BSCS. Today I have created a new project named as Healthy Start. After that I have designed the main activity as shown just to you. For this I have used a background image. I have divided the linear basically into two parts. In first part I have used these things like I have used a background image, then a text view, then an edit text search bar. After that I have used card views in the lower linear. Okay, I have used four card views. In each card view I have used image view and linears to show image and text, right? And these all are responsive. As if we click on this, we will move to a diet recommendation window where we get three options like if you want to gain weight, then what diet you would take. If you want to lose weight, then what diet would you take. And if you want to sustain your weight, then what diet would you take, right? And here, if you want to lose your weight, then what would you take? If you want to lose your weight, you have this window or this layout on your screen. Here again, I have used a linear to differentiate or discriminate this section, which would show you that it is a diet plan to lose your weight. Okay, so to lose weight, I have used three card views again to show three different meals in sequence. So it is good to see and easy to understand for the user. In breakfast, we would take these three meals. I have used a linear to give this text view. Then I have used three linears in a sequence and have used one, two, three text views in each linear. Right? You can use weight to divide these linears. So when you would run this app on your phone, then it will be easier for you to understand and your app will work more good. Okay, then you will not have to take tension that whether it will looks disturbed on your screens and not good to your eyes. So I use three card views right here and text view. Similarly, after that I have used two buttons that have a very these are very important to move from one app to another app. So behind this button, next button, I have used an intent. Intent will move us from one screen to another screen. As in our main activity, as if I click on the first card view, it will move me into the diet recommendation window. So for intent, for first of all, let us consider the code in Java. In Java, we would have to declare and make objects first. First of all, we would create objects what we want to use in Java class from our XML file. Okay. Later on, we would find them by IDs. So it will be easier for us and for the system. These are very important to move from one app to another app. So behind this button, next button, I have used an intent. Intent will move us from one screen to another screen. As in our main activity, as if I click on the first card view, it will move me into the diet recommendation window. So for intent, for first of all, let us consider the code in Java. In Java, we would have to declare and make objects first. First of all, we would create objects what we want to use in Java class from our XML file. Okay. Later on, we would find them by IDs. So it will be easier for us and for the system to recognize and identify the objects we are going to use. If we want to make our or what we can say that if we want to make our modules responsive, then what we would do, we will use on click listener function on it, and on click listener function will help us to give it a action or event to do that function, right? Here I have used the intent. For using an intent, first of all create the object of an intent, Then get application context. This is basically the location from where you want to move and to which you want to reach is that one. The location which you want to reach, you have to use this keyword of dot class with it, so you will move to it. And the most important thing is start activity I. Here we have used the start activity, and it is basically event we are using here. So it will move you from one activity to other as you have initialized, as you have called this I here. So when you click the button, this line will be written by the system and you will move to the next activity, right? It is similar to all these. And now later I will more easier for you to understand. Thank you. I hope you would like my video, and thank you.